Hello and welcome to this video. Are you able to figure out which of the options A, B, C, D or E will be fitting into this 3x3 grid and replacing the question mark? If you would like to pause the video, please do so now, as the answer will be revealed shortly. The correct answer is E, but how did we come to that? Having a look at this question first, things may seem difficult in that techniques such as addition do not seem to work. For example, this plus this does not seem to give us any answer in relation to block 3. Addition between rows does not seem to yield anything either, as we are left with an unknown figure. One other possible method is rotation. Let's have a look at the first row, whereby this line going from block 1 to 2 is now in this orientation. We could deduce that this block perhaps has been rotated 90 degrees clockwise. Upon further inspection from block 2 to 3, we see this line is now in this orientation. Hence, it has been rotated 90 degrees as well. If you are having trouble visualizing that, it helps to simply draw a shape in the block. For example, let's say we draw a simple face, with this being the mouth and this being the eyes. By moving this line here, we know that the eyes would have had to move 90 degrees this way, since the line has moved 90 degrees that way. Going from 2 to 3, we see that the line is moved to this orientation, so the eyes must therefore move to this orientation and be up here. Applying the 90-degree rotation rule, then, we see that this shape, if rotated 90 degrees, should now be, this moves to here and this part moves to here. And this is what we see in block 2 with the shape like this. Applying another 90-degree rotation, we know that this should come here, and this part rotated 90 degrees this way should be here, which is what we see. It may help to break the individual shape up and rotate each part 90 degrees as well. For example, this line rotated 90 degrees would be this line here, and this rotated 90 degrees should be this. It may also be helpful to simply look at the points themselves, whereby this point, if this line were to be rotated 90 degrees, would be this line, and since this point and this point is connected, we know that this point and this point should be connected. Once you apply the 90-degree rule to this shape, you will find that this is the missing element in block 2, which corresponds to E. Thank you for listening. If you found this helpful, please remember to like and subscribe.